What's up guys, welcome to the video. Before we jump into our airport update, I'm going to show you a quick little tip on how to clean these airplanes safely without breaking the antennas or breaking anything on them. So as you can see, this plane is very dusty. You can buy these at Dollar Tree and just simply brush right over the top of them very lightly. It's a very inexpensive way to clean these, and it's safe to clean them, because I know if you put a towel or rag or anything over them, it could easily break the antennas off. Alright, so then you're going to take the smaller brush, and this is for more of the creases for dust buildup on there as well. This brush also works very good for the wheels, inside the engine, and these are, you can buy them at Dollar Tree. Just a couple size brushes. Alright, let's go ahead and start the video.